Alright, today we're going to be unboxing the Stakmore folding furniture with permanent look. There should be 2 chairs in this box, which I got for around 90 bucks. So let's see what we got. Alright, so unboxing. Let's see. Looks like it's packed okay. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. This might be this. There we go. Alright, here's one of the chairs. So there is 2 chairs in there for sure. So we got that. Gotta get these out of here without looking too goofy. So, all right. So we got, that is the chair color we got. And looks so far to be fairly sturdy for a folding bar chair. So here's how the chair looks folded up. Again, it looks like it's fairly durable and comfortable. So let's see how easy it is to open. Directions say just pull out and then push down. And there it is, right? That was easy enough. Looks like we have fairly good surface, fairly well made for the price. Everything looks fairly smooth and not scratched or dented. So again, we got 2 for the price of 1. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, feels fairly sturdy. It says it's good to up to 300 pounds, so I wouldn't have any issue having family or friends or children on this chair. And their quote is that they make foldable furniture that looks permanent, and I like the look and feel of it, especially for the price. Now to fold it up, it looks like we do about the same thing. We just pull up the back. And there you have it. There's your stackable furniture ready to go. So let's see how this feels. Like my head. All right, so the features of the chair. Again, this is a foldable chair, so when you have company over and you're sitting at the bar or sitting at a high top table, these chairs will work really nice. The fabric feels durable. The folding mechanism feels strong and sturdy, and just good enough for a party or for card games or whatnot. But yeah, so far so good. Here's the unboxing of the Stakmore designed with pride in the USA furniture. Made for, you guessed it, folding furniture with the permanent look. I think we'll like it. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely feels sturdy. I wouldn't have an issue having friends, family, or children sit on this chair. This looks comfortable. Thanks for unboxing the Stakmore 2 folding chairs today.